Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to delete a Facebook page. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, open Facebook, then tap menu and tap this icon and switch to the page that you want to delete. For example, I delete this page. Tap on it and then tap menu, scroll down and tap settings and privacy, then tap settings, then scroll down and tap access and control, then tap deactivation and deletion, then tap delete page and continue, then tap continue, scroll down and tap continue, then write your password and tap continue. And that's how you can delete a Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.